Okay, so today I want to show you how to make a Google site for ceramics class, and where I usually start is just from my Gmail. From my Gmail, I'm going to click on the little pattern for the Google Apps, sometimes called the waffle pattern, and then I'm going to click on Google Sites. Okay, and now to get my site started, I'll just click on the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner. And here's my Google site. A couple of things that I want you to do to start with is I'd like you to give your home page a title, and I just want you to call it your name. My name's Mr. Thompson, so I'm just going to write Mr. Thompson for the name, and up here for the site, I'm just going to write Mr. Thompson Ceramics. All right, so now my front page has a title and my site has a name. There's a couple main things that I want you to be able to do. I want you to be able to insert text on your site. And so in a text box, I'll just type, this is Mr. Thompson's ceramics site. So you can say a little bit about your website. And next, I want to be able to insert images. So here I'm going to click on Images, and I'll select an image. And here, there's one here with me with crazy hair. So I'm just going to click on that image and hit Insert. So now I've got a front page, Mr. Thompson Ceramics site with a picture of me with crazy hair. The next thing I want you to be able to do is to create extra pages on your site. So I'll click on the Pages tab, and I'll click on the addition sign near the bottom. And I want you to make a page for each of our major projects. So here I'm going to do a page for the animal project. All right, and next I'm going to add a picture of an animal project. So I need to go back to Insert, and I'll click on Images. And this time, instead of using Google Drive, I'll try uploading an image. I'm going to go to my Downloads, and here I have an animal project image that I just downloaded. All right, so let's add another page. This time we'll add a page for the head project. And I'll hit done. And now I've got a page here for the head project. Again, I want to insert a picture. So I'm going to upload an image. Actually, yeah. And here's the head project. All right, so there's a little head for the head project. So once I've created my website, I now have a picture of each of the projects. I'll make them bigger later. The next thing I want you to do is to click on the sharing settings and then click on down by links. And let's change it so that anybody can see your website. And let's make it so that anyone in the Salinas Union High School District can see your draft site. That way, if you accidentally send me a link to your draft site, I'll still be able to see it. But when you're finished, what you're going to do is you're going to publish your site. So hit the Publish button and then just hit Publish. If there's not a name here, you might have to type one in. And now this is a published site. So the last thing you'll do is you'll click on the link, you'll copy that link, and when you're ready to turn it in, you'll just send me a copy of that link and I'll be able to see your website. So I hope you have fun with this, and I'd like you to create a new page for your website for each of the projects we do this year. All right, ceramics up.